headed out of camp. San Jacinto from last night. It's a good camp spot. We're headed out early. We've only got like 8.4 miles today to get picked up by a trail angel that's gonna take us to resupply, and we're gonna do laundry and showers and stuff like that and get ready for our probably 5 days is what we think to Big Bear. Absolutely beautiful morning, and kind of see the sun beginning to rise behind me. Making progress. Down we go into the desert floor. It is a beautiful morning. The sun is just coming up. Still see San Jacinto. Not far from the faucet. We think that's it down there. Behind that big rock, by that little path. The water spigot is coming up. All this water must be coming off of San Jacinto. Oh man. So looking forward to this. Made it to the faucet in the middle of the desert. Wow, that was amazing. Guess it comes off the mountains. We have deployed umbrellas for our walk across the desert floor. We shouldn't be too far off from our pickup point. I'm not sure exactly where she's picking us up, but she's pretty close by. Apparently this is part of the PCT, the service road that goes to the water plant that we saw forever coming down that mountain, all those mountains.